Start by navigating to the side menu and clicking on Discounts. Next, select Add New Discount. Enter the discount name, select how to apply, choose the customer type, and select the discount type, either flat or percentage. Then enter the discount value. Set the maximum coupon use count and, if needed, limit usage per customer. Choose the validity option, select the allowed days, and enter a minimum cart value if required. Next, select the allowed channels, such as in-store or online, and choose the allowed location. Decide whether to notify customers. If yes, then set the option to print text in the footer, add the footer text, and choose whether to print the coupon at register. You can also add coupon text and a coupon image if desired. Then, select the printing validity dates, and finally, add one or more coupon codes, separated by commas. Once all details are filled in, click Save. That's it. Your discount is now active in LinkCell and ready to use. If you ever need to edit, change the status, or delete the coupon discount, simply use the Actions button.